Let us put ourselves in the presence of the Lord.
Almighty ever living God, please be with us and guide us in our activity. May we observe the learning and value during the process. We thank you for making this possible. We ask this through your Son, Jesus Christ. Amen.
Hello, angels! Welcome to another amusing and exciting English learning in grade 1. Once again, I am teacher Joan from the place that's soaring high. Hello, nos late. Can you sing with me? Repeat after teacher, okay? Hello, 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 how are you? Your turn. I'm glad to be with you, and you, and you, and you. Okay, let's sing it together. Hello, 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 how are you? I'm glad to be with you, and you, and you, and you. Okay, you may now take your seat. I will be checking your attendance. I'm glad that everyone is present today. Do you know what is this? Yes, it's a bike. In your level, you need a side wheel. What is a side wheel? You need a side wheel to support you and for your safety. You also need an adult supervision while driving. Okay? And don't forget to wear your helmet as possible. Wear also safety goggles. Alright, how about this one? Do you know what is this? Yes, it's a put-put. Very good. Have you experienced riding in a put-put? Okay, where are you going? You can ride put-put or pedicab going to the market, going to the school, and to the near places. Okay? Can you read this one? Yes, pedicab. So as earlier, I told you that pedicab or put-put is the thing that we will use for transportation. Pedicab driver. So what is pedicab driver? Yes, the one who drive the pedicab. How about this one? Can you read? Get off. Yes, get off means mugawas or pag-exit or pagkanaog. Okay? How about pedal? Pedal. Yes, pedal is pag-drive. Okay? Pagbanyak. Okay? So, usually we do it when we ride bike or the driver in the put-put will pedal. Okay, very good. How about this one? Follow. Follow. So, follow is come after in time of order or pagsunod. Yes, pagsunod. Okay, how about this? Yes, it is choices. Choices. So what is choices in Bisaya? Yes, pagpili. So choices is pagpili. Okay. So I will be reading you a short story, but before that, can you tell me our reading rules?
A few moments later.
So we will be reading a short story about riding the pedicab. Can you repeat? So what is the title of the short story we will be reading today? Riding the pedicab. Very good. So, are you excited to listen? Okay, so lend me your ears and sit down properly.
Riding the Pedicab in response to indigenous learning material by Gigi Kaga. Ana is going to school. So si Ana padulong sa eskwelahan. Mang Chino, a pedicab driver, stops in front of Anna's house. Si Mang Tino, a pedicab driver, nihunong sa atubangan sa balay ni Ana. She rides in the pedicab, so nisakay si Ana sa pedicab. When Mang Tino sees Ana is well seated, he starts to pedal the pedicab. So pagkakita ni Mang Tino nga si Ana nakalingkod na og tarong, ni-start na siya pagbanyak sa pedicab. The pedicab stops in front of Anna's school. So, nihunong ang pedicab atubangan sa eskwelahan ni Anna. She gets off the pedicab and walks to her classroom. So, hingnaog si Anna sa pedicab ug naglakaw padulong sa classroom. Mang Tino must take other students to their school. So, naapay laing kuhaunon si Mang Tino nga mga estudyante padong sa eskwelahan. Anna follows the rules and listens to adults. She make good choices. So si Anna, musunod sa mga regulasyon sa eskwelahan ug maminaw sa mga dagko. Si Anna pod make good choices. So magbuhat siya og mga maayo. Anna will ride the pedicab again when she go home. So si Anna, musakay pagbalik og pedicab, inigmo uli siya sa ila.
After hearing the story, do you remember who is the character in the story? Yes, it is Anna. Okay, where will Anna go? So, Anna is going to school. And what did Anna do when the pedicab stops in front of their house? Yes, Anna rides the pedicab. What did Anna do when the pedicab stops in front of Anna's school? Very good. Anna get off the pedicab. Great job. So, can you read this sentence? Mang Tino, a pedicab driver, in front of Anna's house. Okay. What is stops in the sentence? It is an action. Okay, let's read the second one. Can you read it? She rides in the pedicab. Okay, so what is rides in the sentence? Rides also tells an action. Okay, so how about follow and listen? What is it? So follow and listen is also an action. Let's play. Are you excited to play? I have here a rolled paper. So what you will do and what will I do first? Look at me and observe. Okay? I will pick up a rolled paper from here. Then I will act and you will guess. Okay? You will guess my action. After guessing my action, I will call somebody like a conversation. I will ask a question and you will answer. We are like having a conversation. Okay, let's have an example. All right. So, what is it? Yes. So it's eat. Okay. Luis, what did you eat during breakfast? Egg? Is it only egg? Okay. Can you say, I ate egg and rice. Okay? Can you repeat? I ate egg and rice. Very good. Can you repeat? I ate egg and rice. Okay? So, again, I will ask again. Luis, what did you eat during breakfast? Yes? Good. Okay, let's have another example. Okay. So, are you excited to guess? What is it? Yes, swim. Okay. Maria, do you know how to swim? Yes, only? Can you say, yes, I can? Okay. Again, Maria, do you know how to swim? The answer is, yes, I can. Very good. Now it's your turn, okay? I will call Marga for the next. Okay, I will call Marga to pick up this ruled paper. So she will be the one to act and you will guess and she will call your classmate to answer her question or sentence. Okay? Alright.
A few moments later.
Did you enjoy the game? Alright. Can you read this word? Swim. Read. Eat. Climb. Run. Okay, what are these words? Yes, it's an action word. So for today's lesson, we are going to identify action words. Okay, what is an action word? So an action word describes an action. So it tells us what someone or something is doing. It is also called verb. Yes. Let's play another game. Okay? This game is very easy. You will just sit down there in your seat and you will just raise your hands if it is a verb and down if it is not a verb. Okay? Are you ready? Sleep. Sleep. Is it a verb or not? Sleep. Okay, what is sleep? Alright, that is verb. Okay. Next. Watch. Watch. It's a verb. Okay, how about vase? Vase. Is it up or down? Okay, it's a verb. Very good. You did a great job. I think you are now ready for the next activity. So, direction, find verb in the sentence and write only the answer. Okay? Again, find the verb in the sentence and write only the answer. Alright? Okay, so number 1.
A few moments later.
So, to harness more your knowledge para mabaid na to ang inyong katakos, let's have an evaluation. Okay? Let's for learning kung nakasabot ba jud mo sa atong discussion. Okay? Get your skills notebook, then follow the direction. Okay? What you will do? Write if the statement has a verb and write and if none. So what you will do? Write B if the statement has a verb and N if none. Okay? Alright! Glad that everyone almost got perfect score. Okay, now for your assignment, I will be giving you an activity sheet and you will answer it at your home. Alright? Okay. Then, the purpose of this is to harness your knowledge. So please, only ask your parents to help you read. And you will be the one to answer the question. Okay? Alright. I hope you learned from my lesson. I hope to see you next time and have a nice day. Bye-bye. Stay safe.